So everything's basically connected in here. There's a switch in here.
That toggle switch?
Yeah, so this will be used when you turn it on. It'll be used to go between the routes. So if you want to change route in the middle of the drive, so you'd hold down on the front.
Please select route. Selected north route.
So you just keep pushing it till it changes it to the one you want to go on?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because we do that a lot.
Yeah, so we'll just cycle through, and then once it gets to the last route, however many routes you have, it just goes back through.
Okay.
You have to press it within a few seconds. So from the time you press the button, you have 5 seconds after that until it like finalizes and sets it in.
Oh.
It also announces on here which route you hear, because the driver, you should be able to hear it pretty easily. If you want to adjust the volume going out through there, you'd have to hold the other side down.
Okay. Left side.
Yeah, and then turn this little volume control knob here.
So hold it down on the left end.
Yeah. So like when you're stopped, you can open this up, hold that down, and then turn it. If you hold this down and you turn the volume, then it adjusts that one. If you don't hold this down and you just turn this, then it just does the module speaker. So by default, like these bus stops will go out to both. But yeah, you can, if there's like a specific vehicle specific error message or warning, yeah, you want it to direct that to the driver, not to the passengers.
Low fuel, speeding, engine was overheating, because we have the ability to read some information from the vehicle. The idea was you could have separate messages if you want.
Directing to the PA or those speakers versus this one, that will be done through a desktop program. Well, we'll show that to you in a bit, I guess, too. And then the bus stops will be done in another program, which I'll also show to you. There is a slot over here on this side. It has the micro SD card. When you run those two programs for the audio and the bus stops, you put that in the SD card in specific folders. We'll show you all of that. And then it should be able to read all the messages, the audio, bus stops. This is mostly for like programming, like firmware updates if we need to, or reading diagnostic messages if it doesn't work. So don't really need to pay attention to this port right here.